Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to flip text upside down. So if you want to flip text upside down in Microsoft Word, you can use the text box. Go to Insert tab and then click the text box tools. I will use this simple text box. Now you can sort your paragraph and then drag inside the text box like this. The next you can resize the text box. And if you want to flip this text box upside down, you can go to Shape Format. Don't forget to select the text box and then use the rotate tools. So in here we have two options. You can flip vertical or you can flip horizontal. You can click to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to flip text upside down. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.